G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a charming home, 134 Truro Street in the popular bayside suburb of Torquay. There's a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations in the popular bayside suburb of Torquay. This sound brick home is positioned on a large 840 square metre allotment offering 2-street access, easy walking distance to the Esplanade and popular Shelley Beach, where you've got a selection of cafés and restaurants to choose from. This well-maintained home features an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is certainly more than meets the eye with this home. The open plan living and dining area does form the heart of the home and features timber parquetry flooring, and the kitchen is located off to the side. The kitchen features a brick feature wall and includes ample bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include a gas 4-burner hot plate with range hood and a wall oven. This home features a north-facing veranda to the rear, which can be used as an outdoor entertaining area. You've also got a large veranda to the front. These spaces are where you'll be able to take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the perfect space for your morning cuppa and enjoying a cool afternoon beverage. This home does include 2 spacious bedrooms, both with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. There are also 2 other rooms that could be used for a range of purposes, including additional bedding, a home office, games, arts and crafts, or even a home gym. The bathroom includes a shower and a vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The large laundry does offer direct access outside to the backyard and clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a single garage with a remote door. This property does offer that unique rear access off Christine Avenue, which will be ideal for those wanting to accommodate RVs, large caravans and boats. You've also got ample space to add a large shed and a pool if desired. You'll also note those low maintenance established gardens, 2 large garden sheds, and you've got a rainwater tank for watering. Homes offering these features in this price point and location are rare and sure to be in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.